We are going to review new shades ng Jelly Blush Sticks. Ito yung new shades: Obsessed, Fig, Plum, and Lychee. So ito lahat ng new shades ng Jelly Blush Stick ng Happy Skin. Let's try in the shade Fig on my cheeks. In fairness sa bagong blush nila, yung shades nila nag-revamp sila. Lychee on my lips. Very jelly finish pa rin, pero i-mix natin sa Lychee. Oh! In fairness kay Lychee, maganda pa rin ha. So anyways, ito yung lahat. So 4 shades ng new shades. It's more on a extension shade range ni Jelly Blush. I like the shade Lychee the most. Lychee and Fig yung top 2 ko. Lychee and Fig yung top 2 ko. So that's my review for new shades ng Happy Skin Jelly Blush. Yun lang.